Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to print Excel file in one page. Okay, so before I doing that, I want to show you an example. For example, in this Excel sheet I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5 paragraphs and some other paragraphs. So when I try to print it, let me maximize it. You can see it's starting at second one, and we're also missing the very last paragraph. Okay, we're missing the first one and missing the last one. Okay, in this case, if you see, okay, I format it automatically fit row high, it's normal, and if you click here it's normal, but if you want to try to print out, it's still missing the first one and last one. Okay, to solve this problem is simple. You just move your mouse to the middle of first cell and second cell and add one more space. Okay, then try to print it again. You will see, you can see the first paragraph, but you can still not see the last paragraph. So in this case, you add more space, then you try to print it. You will see the first paragraph and also the last paragraph. Okay, so that's how sometimes you can only see parts of the Excel printout because the spacing things. That's actually the format problem. Okay, let's go back to the first Excel sheet and we try to print the big Excel within one paper. So you will see at the middle, you can see the dot line. That means it can only print from course ID to time start, and the other things will print in the second page. Okay, let's see the preview. See, time start, and you cannot see the duration. If you go to page 2, you will see time end, duration, and location here. So in this case, you can try to change the orientation to landscape. Okay, so it's better. I can see more, but the location I cannot print it within one page. So if you have not that long, you can try to using the landscape orientation. Okay, so in this case, it still cannot print it within one page. You can try this option, scaling. Okay, fit sheet on one page. Now actually it's turn the word font to a small font, and it will print it within one page. So in this case, when you print out, this font may be smaller, but you can see all of them in one page. So you can try to print it instead of letter size. You can print it within the large paper, for example, Lego. Okay, using a big paper, and then you can see it clearly. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.